A summary question. There is a paragraph given here, and after the paragraph is followed by four options. Now you are supposed to choose the option that gives the essence, the best summary of the paragraph, the option that covers all the main points correctly. Now, this is a CAT 2020 summary question. It's an actual question that appeared in the CAT in 2020. Now, I want you to try this question on your own and then you can watch the explanation. Now, let me assume here that you have gone through the question, attempted this question on your own. Now, let me start the um, explanation here. Now, this paragraph begins with saying that the world became to some extent multipolar. Multipolar, which means that there are many power centers. There is no single power center. There are multi. Multi means many. So that's a very important point here. And Europe strove to define an independent identity. Right? So at the beginning itself, there is a hint given that the world has become multipolar and Europe is trying to have an independent identity. Now, the next sentences. What a journey Europe has undertaken to reach this point. Let us read those sentences. So, this paragraph is about Europe's journey, okay, to have an independent identity in the multipolar world. It had in every century changed its internal structure, invented new ways of thinking about the nature of international order. Now, now this is an important word. Now means it is talking about how it has created its independent identity in the multipolar world. This is very important because the paragraph is about how Europe has changed itself, okay, to have an independent position in the multipolar world. Now, at the culmination of an era, Europe, in order to participate in it, so in order to participate in it means to in the multipolar world. In order to participate in the multipolar world, Europe felt obliged to set aside the political mechanisms through which it had conducted its affairs for 3.5 centuries. So earlier it had certain political mechanisms, right? Now these political mechanisms must be having differences. So therefore it is written here, it felt obliged to set aside, means keep aside those differences. So the first point here is that in order to participate in the multipolar world and to have an independent identity, what Europe did, Europe set aside the political differences. Now, then the author talks about the European Union established a common currency in 2002 and political structure in 2004. So, political structure, political point has already been mentioned. A common currency, this means, economic unity, right? So this is political unity and economic unity. So the paragraph, so and at the end, at the end it is written that it proclaimed a Europe united, adjusting its differences by peaceful mechanisms. So the paragraph is about in order to create an independent position in the current multipolar world, what Europe did, Europe set aside its political differences and it created an economic unity as well. So this is what is the crux of the paragraph. We have to choose an option that combines all these main points correctly. Now option A, Europe has consistently changed in keeping with the changing world order. Now the changing world order is vague. Now the world order had changed. This means that some new order has been created. Then the question arises: what is that new order? So is it? So are there two power centers or three power centers, or there are many power centers? So it's very vague. So the paragraph clearly mentions it's a multipolar world. So that multipolar world having many multi-power centers, that needs to be part of the option, right? So option A, this is vague, unclear, right? Similarly, if you look at the C option makes the same mistake, the changing world order. So not clear. Plus, it, option A says Europe has culminated in United Europe. How? The question is how. There is a part of the paragraph has clearly mentions how it has united itself. So that how is missing in A, right? Europe has consistently changed its internal structure. Now, internal structure, which structure? Political or economic or natural? What is that structure? So C is also incomplete and vague, right? So option A is eliminated and option C is also eliminated. Now let us look at the option B. The establishment of a formal political structure in Europe was hastened by the unification of Germany. Now, hasten means, you make a hurriedly, quickly. Now, there is no mention that Europe has done it very quickly. Now, so how much time it has taken? So the focus is not time. The focus is not time. Time is not the focus. Okay, the focus is how it achieved, the method of unification of European countries was adjusting the differences, political and economic, by peaceful mechanisms. So that is missing in option B. Option B is eliminated. Let us look at the last option D. Europe has chosen to lower political and economic heterogeneity. Heterogeneity means differences. So Europe has chosen to lower those differences. Which one? Political and economic, in order to adapt itself to an emerging multipolar world. So multipolar world is given, political and economic heterogeneity is lowered, that is also given. So D is complete and correct. The answer of this question is option D.